Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to discuss on a electric current. We all know that current is electricity is a form of energy, and it is the flow of charged particle. Here charged particle means electron. In other words, we can say that electric current is the flow of electron, and to flow of electron there must be conductor, and conductor are generally metal body, because metal body contains some loose electron, and that loose electron enables the negative charge particles electron to flow through it. So electricity is a form of energy which flow through the metal body in form of charged particles called electron. We also know that electron is a negatively charged particles, and in form of the current it flows through the conductor. We also know that there is a great use of electricity in our life. From morning to evening till go to the bed, we use a lots of the things, necessary things, essential things, and basic works also, which totally depend on electricity. Our AC, fan, cooler, TV, train, equipments of medical science, and some other equipments also totally run by electricity. So electricity is of great use. Electricity is produced basically by the two ways, although it is also produced in many different methods, but two methods are important here, which are also discussed in the book, because electricity is produced in bulk by these two methods. Hydroelectric plant, at where coal is used as the fuel. Coal is burned to produce the vapor, and that vapor is used to run the turbine. Hence electricity is produced. And there are many thermal power plant in India at many different places. But here coal as a fossil fuel, and it is limited in amount on our earth. So scientists are trying their best to find some alternative way to produce the electricity, because without electricity our life can be dull, inactive, and we feel boring, as well as we all may definitely come in depression if not the alternative way of electricity to produce are found. And the other way, the next method through which electricity is produced by hydro power station. Here hydropower means water is used. Water is stored at the higher places above the earth, and allow water to fall down forcefully. That water which are in very force come down with very force, fastly run the blade of turbine, and electricity is produced there. Some other places, wind energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, and some other also kinds of energy is used to produce the electricity. In all these methods, main view purpose to run the turbine, blade of the turbine, and electricity is produced there. We know about the way to produce the electricity and its usage, but it is also very dangerous. We know it very well. A simple carelessness may cause with the heavy electric shock. Sometimes it may cause of our death also. Sometimes short circuiting is also happen at particular places, and may reach loads of the damages. So it should be used very carefully. Now we want to discuss about the effect of electric current. As we discussed earlier that electricity is the flow of negative charge through the metal body. The metal body which allow electricity to flow through it become heated because the material with which that metal body is composed of mat create little or more resistance in the way of flow of electric negative charge. Their frictional force is produced there, and that frictional force produce the heat and metal body now become heated. Sometimes it heated too much to melt and short circuiting occurs there. Now we also use a lots of the heating devices through electricity like iron, geyser, water heater on which we make the food. So these types of devices in which high resistance equipments are used. That equipments which we use to produce heat are strongly produce resistance due to they are not the good conductor of electricity. Electric bulb which glow the light also use tungsten wire which are high resistance. They are basically purposely used to produce the heat. They become high heated and begin to glow the light. So first effect of electric current is the heating effect. The metal through which electricity flow become high heated because that metal body have the limited capacity to allow the negative charge to flow through it. If the electric charge begin to flow beyond its capacity, it become too hot and melt. Insulated things also become melted and short circuiting and other hazards may happen there. The next effect of electricity is magnetic effect. We know it very well. Magnet having the property to attract and repel the magnetic material, about which I have also discussed in my earlier video. It has the two pole. We know it very well, south pole and north pole, and main property of magnet is to attract and repel the magnetic materials. Like charges repel each other, like pole repel each other, and unlike pole attract each other. It is the property of magnet. And at the pole there is a more magnetic property in respect to other remaining part of the region of the magnet. So the conductor or the wire through which electric current flow works as a magnet, and it attracts the magnetic material to test for its magnetic property. If we take the magnetic compass near the leaf wire or the wire through which electric current is flowing, the needle get deflected. It shows that the wire, the metal body through which current flows works as a magnet. So magnetic effect is also due to the electric current. And next effect about which I want to discuss is chemical effect. We also familiar with the chemical effect of electric current. The battery with inverter which I use in our home to get the light or run the fan or other electrical equipments are based on the chemical effect of electric current. The chemical which are given at the time of formation of battery store energy when electric current is flow through it. That chemical react the other things which are also lie nearby it and store the electric current and get charge, and that current which are stored in battery, we use it to run many electrical equipments when main power is cut off. So I think some idea about the electricity, electric current and its effect can be obtained from this video. If you like this video, subscribe it by pressing the bell button and also like it. And in every video I request to send me the comment along with the topics about which you want to know more and more. Definitely I shall consider all the topics, subjects selected by you in my next video along with the discussed in detail, and that video will reach you first. Thank you.